Yes, my fans, I'm about to make some fritters, my Moringa fritters. See, I created that recipe, see, Koja Country Lifestyle YouTube channel. My Moringa fritters, my favorite fritters. I'm using it with the salted fish, scallion, green onion, scotch bonnet pepper. Pepper, you smell flavor, I like the flavor of it, very good flavor. Welcome to my kitchen. Things said she like this kitchen. A lady from America, I don't know why, but she said this is the best kitchen, her favorite kitchen. Me don't know why she love it, but she would have to tell us why she love it. I mean to say she love it more than her pretty kitchen with all them pretty fancy table. What you call it, countertop and all those stuff. See it there? The moringa, the codfish, the scallion, the pepper. So gonna add like flour. I use coconut oil to fry it. We put in my flour, sieve my flour, and then you stir it up with your spoon and add some water just to make it, the right, not too firm, nor not too soft. You can check out my playlist and I've done videos with the moringa dumpling and fritters before. So, I want to do it with my good old chain road tea and the sasa perla. This is where I get my pepper from. If you don't see any right pepper on it, because you have some people and can observe good, look carefully and see if you see no pepper. And tell me if you think believe more than a dozen peppers on the tree. Because I have some fans believe me, them can observe, when they watch my videos, Me tell you, me never better call on them this evening. Probably don't know them observe. Look at the bees come to get nectar. Koja Country Lifestyle YouTube channel. My kitchen has all manner of stuff, look there. If I want the mint, just come right in my kitchen, pepper in my kitchen, my outdoor kitchen. I love these simple nature thing. This could be a video by itself, man. These flowers and the bees. Oh gosh, man, what a beautiful creature. The earth is the Lord and the fullness thereof. My God is amazing. So my cabbage come up. So if we go to control any little slug stuff on it, all carotenoid to corn, scotch bonnet pepper come up nice. See Irish there? We plant the Irish, my fans look there. See the Irish potato there. See? Get looking good. Them pepper me soon transplant. The corn them already planted at the keg there. So them growing nice. Not gonna remove it. Radish that there. See radish them a fan around them in that realize the radish. You notice good and safe when you see the radish, my fans. Okay. Clean. Nice to plant in my bucket. Container farming. Carrot. Chocha tree have enough chocha now. Quite a number of chocha myself on it. Yes. So what I do now, I will just when I take me can video that part and now do I will just mix up the flour because try be alone I do the video and then fry up my fritters them. So I just give this section of it man because I just phone me having on you now and I do a thing so now I'm gonna upload it. So remember to leave a comment and appreciate If you are new, welcome, great to have you here on this day here. 6th day we gone down in January already. January get whole already. Anyone who have them Earth Day today, happy Earth Strong to you. Anyone who have it on the 7th, yeah, when it come, happy Earth Strong also. Water they all both no. Big up everyone. No name calling in this video today. One love Kojak said that.